Welcome to Cam Look, your daily dose of the Cincinnati Art Museum. Each weekday, a staff member or volunteer will be sharing an object from the permanent collection and posing questions for discussion. Please check back at 10 a.m. every day for a new work and a new conversation. My name is Kristen Vincenty, and I am the assistant to the director at the Cincinnati Art Museum. Today, we will be looking at Circa 70s tea and coffee service, created by the Gorham Manufacturing Company and designed by Colflesh. The Gorham Manufacturing Company opened in 1831 in Providence, Rhode Island, and began as a small shop producing flatware or table utensils such as spoons. Yet by the mid-19th century, they had become one of the leading American producers of fine silver. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Gorham produced wares in the neoclassical, Japanese, colonial revival, Gothic revival, and Art Nouveau styles. For this particular piece, produced in 1958, Donald Colflesh of Cleveland was recruited by the Gorham Manufacturing Company to add a contemporary air to their silver designs. Inspired by the excitement of the space race, which began with the Russians' launch of the satellite Sputnik in 1957, he designed the Circa 70 product line, which included this tea and coffee service. The upward lines of the service's forms, the attenuated finials, the flying saucer-like shape of the sugar bowl, the use of formica, a new modern material, in the tray, and the title of the line all allude to the hope and promise of the future held. Do you drink tea or coffee? Would you use this service for visitors in your home? Does this service remind you of the space race? Be sure to tune in every weekday for another Cam Look at a piece from the Cincinnati Art Museum's permanent collection.